everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Art. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Sorry about that. Today I am doing redo painting. I had this on my porch, which I loved it, but I painted my front door purple. So I want to do some blues and purples together here, and I'll kind of smear some white on there as well. Do I have my palette knife? Sorry about that. Forgot my palette knife. There we go. So the colors that I'm going to use, this blue here, this really light blue that I'm using, it is Creative Inspiration Sky Blue. This one here, this really pretty purple, is Liquitex Basics Brilliant Purple. And this purple here is SoHo's Dioxazine Violet Hue, one of my favorite colors. And then this blue that I have here is Decoart's Metallic Sapphire, Deep Sapphire. And then I'm going to use Amsterdam Titanium White for my smear color for the white. So let me get started here. I'll probably play a little music because this is a big mess. I have too much stuff on my table right now, so I want to concentrate on this. So go ahead and get started. I do like that. I like that a lot. So, I'll let this dry however long it takes. I'm not sure. Maybe a day or two. But I like it. I like the purple in there. It'll go good with my front porch now that I have a purple door. And I think I might embellish it as well. And I'm not going to fully resin it because it is going to be outside all the time, but it is underneath a covered porch. So, but I think I want to put, for sure, add some like glitter to it. Possibly some stones. We'll see. But I really like it. It looks beautiful. Alrighty. I will bring you down for a close-up. Alright, I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. It's hard to get the whole thing in. Got my hair stuck on a painting behind on the wall. Starting to get some cool cells there from the Amsterdam titanium white, and then the Decoart's metallic will give me some cool cells. Didn't get very many cells up here from the white, but that's okay. I do like it. You guys will have to tell me what you think. I think it's pretty cool. I do thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. We'll like and subscribe and share, comment, all that fun jazz. Sorry I'm out of breath. My asthma is acting up today. I appreciate you guys. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye-bye.